Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. And I would like to ask you a question. Is cheap always the best or inexpensive product always the best? Let's check that out in this video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and unbox a very cheap uh, sound bar because everybody needs a sound bar or a music system, but mostly people prefer sound bars nowadays. So let's go ahead and unbox this, and I will also test it whether this is good or not. It's within 800 budget, so let me check how good is it. Is it comparatively better than a 5000 rupees one, or is it just the normal multimedia speaker quality type? We'll be checking that. And this I got from Amazon. In case you require the link, please go ahead and leave a comment. I'll go ahead and put the link for you then. So let's start with the unboxing process first. So first, this is the box which we have got. Says it has an incredible sound experience, and it's from F&D company. F&D mini sound bar, and it says it's since 1993 and all the experience now. And let me see what are the other features in this. It is a 2.0 computer multimedia speaker. It has USB powered 3.5 mm jack, simple and slim design, and 5-watt 1A. So let me just go ahead and open this because I did buy this before some time. I've not yet unboxed it. I just took it out of the Amazon package and I've kept it. Okay. So if you see, this is the package which has come from Amazon. It's a sleek bar. So let me just take this off from inside. So as you see, there is a pamphlet user manual for this, and there's a warranty card. So we don't need that now. We'll just keep this box aside, and these are some things which we don't require for now. You can keep even that aside. And let's go ahead and open this and check how good this is. So there is a power adapter which will be connected to this. You can see here the power adapters here, and this will be connected to any of the USB devices or 5-watt charger. So when I open this, it's not that tough to open. You just have to pull it out. If you see behind, you can even attach a headphone over here, and below that is the power adapter. And that's what we are going to do. We are going to attach this power adapter here. We are going to attach this power adapter like this over here. So this is the basic thing which we have to remove. Okay, these are. Let me just do this quickly for you. Okay, that's done. So this is basically the sound bar. You see there is the grip over here to lay it like this. And this is the music connection. And let me just give some power to this by connecting it to one of the USB ports. You see this over here. The light gets on as soon as you connect this to the USB port. This light. So this is minus and this is plus. This side is minus and this side is plus. So let me keep it full in minus first. So that I can test this out. And I'll also remove this one out. So this wire is free now. And this is the sound bar. You can see here, you can see about 3 speakers in line over here. Actually, there are four. One, two, there's two main speakers and two woofers type. So what I'm going to do is I'll just connect this to my phone and we'll check how the music quality is. And there's one more option over here. I just checked that. You can hang it also anywhere. That's a very good option which I found this. And you can connect the headsets. So let me quickly go ahead and select a song and see how the effect is. So we are just playing an NCS track over here. Let me increase the volume. This is somewhat about the medium volume which I have kept. Even in my phone I have kept only half of the volume. If you can see here. Now it's in mute. Let me increase the volume also. It's in the full volume now. So let me pause this track. So it is giving a good performance for the price which I paid for this. Let me tell you the price also I paid for this. It's not that much as it looks, but the quality is good. It's a premium quality. All around there's a proper rubber base also for sturdiness. Plus there's power over here. Plus you have this thing. If you You have the headphone jack plus warranty for 1 year. If you remember, before some time I had gone ahead and unboxed. If you remember, before some time I had unboxed Zebronics for 500 rupees. What are the speakers? And we were getting an echo in that. But for this, there's no echo. There's no problem bringing it next to the mic also. I didn't find any problem in this. And this is well suited for any of the computers which you're using. It's a 2.1 speaker. So you can use it for computer, you can use it for DVD, you can use it for a TV because it's just plug and play type. And plus you can also connect your headsets to it in case you're watching a movie or something in your TV and you want to connect your headsets to it for not disturbing anyone. You can do that over here if your TV doesn't have the headset option. Or even if you're watching something in your mobile and you want to increase the volume and see it via a headset, you can go ahead and do that also. So what I feel is this product, as you can see in the main camera, is a premium finish. Yeah, you can see this clearly now. It's a premium finish, and all I paid for this was not even 800 rupees. So I could go ahead and suggest you to buy this, and you have also listened to the sound quality because I like the sound quality. It was giving a good vibe also on the desk. So in case you also wish to go ahead and buy this, you can buy it from Amazon. And now even the Amazon sale is coming up. So the price may even go lower than what it is currently, how much we are currently paying for it. I paid around 800 something. Might be you might even get lucky to get it for 500 rupees. And getting such a quality for 500 rupees is not a bad deal at all. And if you did like the video, please comment your uh, thoughts on the speaker which I've shown you today. If you did you like the music in that, or um, you think something else is better in Amazon? In case you do think that, I will go ahead and check that product also out for you. And I will be doing various unboxing videos and review videos with live demo this week. I've got many products which are lined up. So I'll be making videos back to back. Please do not miss that. And for notification, please subscribe for the channel. And in case you like this video, please like so that many other people can get benefit out of watching this video. Until next time, you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and this is Kamal, and you have a wonderful day.